Good morning, my GL. Good morning, anak. Today is Monday. It's Monday. What time is it now? It's 9:58 in the morning. You just wake up, anak? Oh, just waking up? You have a good sleep? I can see in your eyes. I can see in your eyes, anak ko. Good morning, everybody. I'm eating multi-grains sliced bread. Bread. Pagtukoy na si Papa sa likod. Okay, guys, smile siya. Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. December 29.